Affecting us as well.
Yeah. Irma's slowly making its way north, about 14 miles per hour, so not moving too quickly. Packing winds of 110 miles per hour plus, especially the closer to the eye that we get. But we're seeing wind gusts even higher than that in some spots just off towards the north of Naples. Storm surge is also going to continue to be an issue, but we're already seeing impacts here in East Tennessee. You may have noticed that the clouds began to increase from southeast to northwest, and that's because Irma is continuing to push the cloud cover into East Tennessee. So we'll be mainly cloudy as we head into the overnight, but we're going to be dry. Things will be calm as we head into the overnight, and wind will also remain on the calmer side as well. So here's kind of a summary of what we're expecting over the next couple of days. We will be weather aware starting midday tomorrow, lasting through the day on Tuesday. Gusts for the valley and plateau ranging from 20 to 30 miles per hour plus, so we could see a random 40 mile per hour gust in there in some spots. And then for the Smokies, it's going to be a bit higher. We could see wind gusts over 50 miles per hour in those spots, which is why we saw some closures today during Jennifer last couple of minutes ago that you saw there. So 1 to 2 inches possible, mainly west, and then of course for the Smokies they could see over 4 inches in some spots. So I'll go over all of that. We're not very windy right now. Gusts right around 10 miles per hour in Knoxville, closer to 15 in Morristown, but still pretty calm. And as we head into the overnight, things are looking good. Waking up cloudy tomorrow and a little bit breezy at times. But we're going to go ahead and fast forward this to 4 o'clock on Monday, because the wind is really going to pick up the second half of the day and into Monday evening. So looking at about 20 to 30 mile per hour wind gusts at this time. Of course, a little bit higher for the Sugarlands, and anywhere where you see red, that's over 50 plus mile per hour wind gusts. So by 8 p.m., 40 miles per hour in the Sugarlands, close to 30 in Knoxville and Maryville. And then by Tuesday morning, this is the gustiest wind that we will see early. Close to 60 mile per hour wind gusts in the Sugarlands and parts of the Smokies. So that's straight line wind territory. We're definitely going to see some tree branches down, potentially some down trees and power lines. So power outages not completely out of the woods here in East Tennessee. We're going to see a few of those. But by Tuesday noon, wind will slowly start to calm down, gusts right around 20 to 30 miles per hour. And then by 5 p.m., even calmer. So the wind will continue to die down through the day. Here's a quick check of your timeline. This is starting at noon tomorrow. Most of us still dry, just dealing with cloud cover. We're dealing with rain, though, for the Smokies south of I-40. Some heavy downpours by 5 p.m., but then we're really not going to see the bulk of this scattered heavy rain until late Monday and into early Tuesday. Same timing for the wind as well as Hurricane Irma approaches, but it will just be the remnants. We're not expecting a tropical storm or a hurricane here in East Tennessee. And then by early Tuesday morning, we're just dealing with waves and waves of rain. And just to give you an idea of how much we're expecting, of course, a little bit more for parts of the Smokies, 5+ inches possible there. But for the rest of us, the rainfall total is not looking too bad, less than a ½ inch in most spots and potentially over a ½ inch for the plateau in our southernmost counties. Quick check of your 7-day forecast. Weather aware midday Monday through Tuesday. The wind will increase and so will our chance for rain Monday night and into Tuesday morning. Some lingering showers for the rest of the work week, and then by next weekend, it's looking pretty nice here in East Tennessee.